Alright guys, let's continue looking at our clocks. Here we have these times in digital format, and down here we have these analog clocks. So now we're going to match the time. Okay, so let's look at the first analog clock. Here we have the hour hand pointing to the 8, so we know it's 8 o'clock. Minute hand is on the 12, 8 o'clock. So this here matches with this. Okay. We got it right, good job. Next clock. Okay, so the minute hand is on the 12, that's when we say o'clock. And the hour hand is on the 10, so that's 10 o'clock. Alright. Next one, we have 7 o'clock. So the hour hand is pointing to the 7, and the minute hand is on the 12, 7 o'clock. And then finally 2 o'clock. Awesome. Alright, let's look at this question. It says, which clock shows 3 o'clock? So let's look at our clocks. Look at A. Our hour hand is pointing to the 7, and the minute hand is on the 12, so we know that is 7 o'clock. Okay, look at B. Our hour hand is pointing to the 5, the minute hand is on the 12, we know that is 5 o'clock. Let's look at C. Our hour hand is pointing to the 9, minute hand is on the 12, we know that is 9 o'clock. Look at D, our hour hand, the shorter hand is the hour hand, is pointing to the 3, and the minute hand is on the 12, we know that this clock says 3 o'clock. So which clock shows 3 o'clock? D is our correct answer. Let's look at another question. This one says, which clock shows 6 o'clock? So now we have to do the same thing. Look at A. What time does that say? That says 3 o'clock. Let's look at B. What time does that say? And that says 9 o'clock. Okay, so I want you to continue for C and D and tell me what the answer is. Which clock shows 6 o'clock? I cannot wait to hear your response.